Hey, everybody. Oh, man, it's Sunday afternoon. It's like 125 degrees, but it's not stopping us. Take a deep breath. Stay hydrated. Everything's going to be okay because we got this amazing single-family house, 595 Sweetshade, architectural shingle, American flag. It's Independence Day. Let's sell this baby. $325. Who wants it? This is a single-family home at a townhouse price, people. Why would you want neighbors on top of you when you can have a single-family house? Check this out. Hardwood floors. We got the World Cup on. Oh, it's a 1-1 game. It's exciting. There's actually some goal scoring in the World Cup. It's amazing. All right, check it out. We got a formal dining room. Perfect paint colors. Kitchen's flawless. Granite. Brand new fridge. I told these guys, I'm like, hey, you got to get a new fridge if I'm going to sell this house. And they did. It's perfect. Check this out. Whoa. Yum yum sauce. Dressing. I mean, it's a secret door. It's freaking amazing. Check this out, guys. I'm taking y'all back. And then I'm signing off. We got a great little deck here. Backyard backs to the common area. We got trees for privacy. It's just a great house. I mean, this is a steal. $325. Brand new carpet upstairs, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. Basement's fully finished. So if you guys know anybody that would love to move to Frederick, has a townhouse budget, and wants a single family home, this is for you. This is perfect. So anyways, hope you guys have a great Sunday. It's hot. Stay cool. Every little thing is going to be okay. Real quick, check out this couch. Check out this finished space. This is amazing. All right, buddy. Happy 4th of July. Check it out, guys. Red, white, and blue. Let's go. Let's sell it. See y'all.